Hello everyone and welcome to Jonas Software. In this video I'm going to go through the steps of how to set up a work order and bill the work order. So for the first step we'll go into Service Billing, Work Orders and Dispatch and select Service Calls Work Orders. This is where we will actually create the work order. Select your company name and click Add a New Work Order. Also you'll notice in the screen there's this little button on the right side. It's a toggle. You can toggle between all work orders, non-billed work orders, and your billed work orders, so it really organizes the list for you. You'll notice on the top it'll say all work orders by number. If I click this button, now it will say non-billed work orders. And then if I click it again, it will say billed work orders. So we'll click Add a New Work Order. And in the number, you can enter it in user defined or click enter and it'll automatically pull up the next number. Date of call, we can enter that in. And then for the customer, click F2, select the appropriate customer. In this screen, it will actually tell you the history of your customer and their credit. So if they have any outstanding bills, which is great for you to keep track of. So who called? We would enter in the person who took the work order and the PO number if it is associated with a purchase order. If there's no purchase order, we can click enter to skip. For the contract number, do an F2 lookup. And then your category. You would select the appropriate category. Under description of work, enter in the description. And now for priority, you will notice you have options. It can be a regular call, a preventive maintenance call. This is actually set up in the setup screen. So select your priority code. And then for status, we'll make it an open call. When you do complete the job, Jonas will automatically flip the status to complete. You can enter in the estimated hours. And we'll go ahead and click OK. Jonas now will generate a work order number for you. And your work order has been created. Click F4 and save changes.